Deborah here from Taxi Baby. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you have been finding our videos really useful, and if you really like them, please hit subscribe to our channel. And if you like the video you're currently watching, please click like and share them with your friends. So for today, we are going to do a comparison of the 3 different MIFOLDS that are on the market. So I think you guys have seen quite a few MIFOLDS, and you guys are often asking us what's the difference between the MIFOLDS. So I'm going to do a short video to explain the differences, and I hope that will be helpful to you. All 3 MIFOLDS are equally safe. They're all manufactured to high safety standards. They're all tested to European standards. And the only thing that really differs between each model is that some of the finishing is a bit different and some of the features are a bit different. So I will talk more about that later. For the MIFOLD Sport, this one. So this is the premium MIFOLD. So what they have changed with this is to add more comfort features and also to design it in a way that is a lot more sporty. So if you have a really cool car, or you have an older child that doesn't want to feel like he's using a baby seat, this will be perfect for you. This is the regular MIFOLD. So this is actually the base model, and this MIFOLD has been around on market the longest. So I'll cover the features later, but I know most of you guys know the MIFOLD as this. Let's talk about the MIFOLD one. I'm very sure you guys have seen this on social media. So this is the newest version. What's different about this is that we have actually brought this in to be priced lower so that every parent can have one. So it's not that it's inferior in any way. It's held to the safety standard as all the other MIFOLDS, just the features are different. So this MIFOLD does not fall. But I'll cover more about that later. So let's look at the MIFOLD one. The MIFOLD one seat is a bit spongy. It's a flat piece of sponge. For the MIFOLD, the seat is this grippy, it's a grippy texture, and this folds. For the MIFOLD Sport, it is this leather-like seat, and it's quite soft. So this has a lot more padding. It is the shoulder belt clips. So for the MIFOLD Sport and the MIFOLD, you need to open them, put the seat belt and close them. So the MIFOLD and the MIFOLD Sport uses the same clip. For the MIFOLD one, it uses a slip-in clip. So if you look at the difference, the MIFOLD one uses a shoulder clip that you don't need to open and close. It is actually at the end of the strap. The MIFOLD Sport has a clip. So I'm going to pull out the ends of all 3 straps for you to take a look. So at this end, they sewed it off. Same for the MIFOLD. But for the MIFOLD Sport, there's this clip. So this clip, what happens with this clip? So it helps tidy your MIFOLD. So for the MIFOLD Sport, we roll it up. And we clip it in. And that is pretty much it. The age is the same. The usage is the same, the function is the same, the way you set it up is exactly the same. The certifications, they're all European certified. The only difference is the features. So if you have any questions, let us know. Or you are welcome to drop us a Facebook message or WhatsApp message. Drop us an email, drop us a comment. We'll help you out. You guys have a good day. Bye.